Millions of people get sick from foodborne illnesses every year and thousands of them die. Hazardous materials contaminating the food supply can also cost companies tens of millions of dollars and untold damage to their reputation as well. As a result, food safety has become an important issue in all stages of the food preparation industry, from growers to manufacturers to distributors and retailers. To address this problem over the years, a number of food safety programs have been developed to help assure that the food that reaches consumer is in fact safe enough to eat. The oldest and most widely used of these programs, both nationally and internationally, is HACCP, the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point System. And that is what this course is all about. My name is Chef Leia, and I am an advocate for food safety and sanitation.